Starting my birthday vlog. I've already given a tailor my dress to make for me. I cannot believe I got this hair yesterday by 10:45, and I called her. She was like, she was not even feeling remorse, no apology. Monday is my birthday. I'm having a bad day today. I'm so stressed and I'm disappointed by the photographer. Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Victoria. Welcome to this page. Guys, I know it has been a long time since I left, and something happened here and there. I've been trying to set up my life, looking for a new place, and yeah, a lot have happened. I just take a break of YouTube, but I'm back now. and guys, this month is my birthday month. This June are the finest, June are the prettiest. If you know, you know. So this is my birthday week. My birthday is on the 16th, and I've started buying things like preparing, because I'll be doing a photo shoot this year, and this is the first time I'm celebrating my birthday all my life. So it's very special and important to me, and I want to take you guys along and also save it here for memory. I can come and watch later in life in future. Okay, so basically this is me starting my birthday vlog. I've already given a tailor my dress to make for me. I'm going to check that one out on Friday, and also cutting my hair. I pay for hair. This hair I saw shaggy, so I will not be recommending that much because she really did not turn out to be, her customer service was not good. I cannot believe I got this hair yesterday by 10:45. And I called her. She was like, she was not even feeling remorse, no apology. She was not sorry about it all. So that is why I won't recommend. And I'll be giving a stylist to help me straighten the hair and do some necessary things to eat very soon. But right now, I want to go and check out my place and check it out, maybe know what is going to be done. If it's to paint, I'll paint, and that is basically it. And I'm set for the morning. I'm ready for my day, and I want to take you guys along, maybe feel some certain things if it will be necessary. Okay, so with that being said, let's go guys. Let me show you my full outfit. So I'm putting on this two-piece, you see. I hope you guys can see it. I'm putting on this two-piece, and I feel it's pretty. I feel pretty. And this is my hair. I did not show it well. This is my hair, and this is the hair inside. So I'm looking for a stylist that could do the job well without stressing me. So that's basically it, guys. Let's go. Hi guys, hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog of my birthday. This is another day. I think today is like Friday, a week before my birthday. So guys, I basically now want to go check out my dress in the tailor, test it, do a fitting, and if it will size me properly, and if there's any correction to be done, since I still have enough time. Okay, so let's go. I don't mind my hair. I have been busy doing a lot here and there, trying to put my life together. Yes. Yes, guys, so I'm being very intentional about this, my birthday, and I hope all went well as I planned for it to be. So guys, that's basically it. So with that being said, let's quickly go and test my outfits. Guys, hi beautiful people. Oh my goodness, I know it has been so long since last time we saw was last week Friday, when I went to the tailor shop to get my dresses. And guys, if you see that clip, you know that I was so happy that it fits so perfectly. Did a nice job in my dress. Like, there was nothing much to amend, just that my waist was a bit smaller because I am in my waist loss journey. So like what she took was 32 inches during our initial measurement, and when I went I dropped down to 31.30, so she have to tighten it up a bit so that it will fit my waist perfectly. And after that, there was nothing much to do in the dress. The dress was so perfect, so beautiful. I only have to wash it and iron it again because it's a white dress. Of course, you have to have, no, it's an off-white. So of course there's some stain on it because during the sewing, you know, hands touching it and the rest. But apart from that, I did not have any issues. She did a perfect job. So yeah, that is it. And I went to give my wig. I know I did not take you guys that long. I was so stressed. So I went to give my wig and I've gotten it back as well. I've kept them. Today is Wednesday and tomorrow is my photo shoot, guys. 12th of June is my photo shoot and my birthday is on the 16th. So I said, let me say hi to you guys. Don't mind my face. Today plan is to go and get my nails done, my legs, and yeah, and change my hair, maybe braid it more, like do an up back again to look, because I'll be putting on wig, but I want my face to like pop out, you know. So that is basically what I'll be doing today. Nothing much. I said, let me say hi to you all, and those of you that is like birthday wishing me, I thank you all. This year birthday is something that is very, very, very special to me, and I want to celebrate it to the fullest. And yeah, God have really showing up for me, like even when, because this is the first time I'm celebrating my birthday, and it have not been easy, expenses here and there, but God has really showed up for me, like in the aspect of finance. He has, and thanks to my man as well. He has been supportive, always there. Like, oh my goodness, thanks. May God bless him. So that is basically it, guys. So guys, the light went off when I was about to round up with the video earlier, I'm now fully dressed. I know I put on this dress last week, so I'm on dress again to go and do my nails. Let's say I want to take you guys along with me. So that's the. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my photo shoot day. Monday is my birthday. I have a very bad day today. I've been so stressed out, disappointed by the photographer, and I know what I'm still in the studio the way I came to pay. The studio I rented for the event, and I was late. I have to pay for another session, so there was a lot happening here and there. I have not eaten since morning. Days after since I'm not eating, so I'm so stressed out. But glory to God, I know that every disappointment is a blessing. I'm taking it as that. And guys, this is how I look today. I hope I look good. My makeup artist, she's the best. She was so kind to me, so gentle. She even booked me an Uber. I was wearing late. May God bless her. So guys, this is my birthday photo shoot day, and my birthday is on Monday. Love you guys. I hope I look good. Good morning. Welcome back to another day. Today is Friday. My shoot was yesterday. Guys, I don't want to start from what happened. Yesterday was so stressful day for me regarding I have to do my makeup, I have to get my makeup done. I also have to get to the studio I book on time, and unfortunately I couldn't make up with the time, so I have to book for another session. Guys, it was just a lot. It's stress. The photographer did not show up. She had to refer someone else to come and take me the photos. She was not apologetic about it. She did not send message to say, oh sorry, look at what happened, blah blah blah. Nothing. Even up to now, this is almost 2. So here and there, I feel so sad. I feel so like this is the first time I'm patronizing you and you did this to me. Oh no. And she know it's my birthday. She knows it's my birthday photo shoot I want to do. That day was so important to me because I want everything. This is the first time I'm doing this, and I want everything to come out nice. I did not want to stress. I did not want to get angry because I was already on makeup on. But she really failed. She failed as a photographer. She failed in her profession. She failed. I don't know what to say to her. I'm expecting my pictures on Sunday because it's 3 days. So I sent her that I want to get my picture on Sunday on Friday because my birthday is on Monday. So I hope she did not do mistake with the time because she's really going to hear from me. I hope that did not happen. I just hope so. So guys, right now I want to head out to get something to eat and also buy some skincare for myself because I've run out of some skincare, so I have to replace them. And guys, did I show you guys my shoe? My shoe looks so pretty. Everybody was just commenting, was just complimenting my shoe. They say, oh, I like your shoe. And my outfit, they say, oh, I like your shoe, I like your outfit. She does so compliment. I said, thank you. Regardless of all the chaos yesterday, I got a nice compliment from people I don't even know. So that was a plus. I was able to chill my day. So guys, without saying too much, let's head out to get something to eat. Okay. So guys, I will be dropping some clips, some pictures, videos of my birthday shoots, the final look. And yes guys, she sent me the pictures, the video on Sunday evening, an hour before my birthday. So these are the clip I'll be sharing here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was glad it came out nice. I was surprised.
It looks so beautiful. Regarding all the chaos, all the issue, I was really glad my picture came out nice. So I'll leave you guys to watch through it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you have watched up till now, thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.